Welcome to Dan Cooking. Today we will be making Japanese tonkatsu and tonkatsu sauce. To make this, we're going to start off with 2 pieces of pork. We'll need 2 eggs, 80 grams of breadcrumbs, 1/4 a head of cabbage, 10 grams of salt and pepper. For the tonkatsu sauce, we will need 120 milliliters of Worcrestshire, 120 milliliters of ketchup, 10 milliliters of shoyu, and 10 grams of brown sugar. We'll start off by thinly slicing our cabbage. After that, we'll set it aside in a bowl for later. After we cut our cabbage, we're going to make our tonkatsu sauce. So we're going to add our shoyu, ketchup, Worcestshire sauce, and our sugar into a pan. And then we're going to bring this to a boil for about 1 to 2 minutes to thicken up the sauce a little bit. After our sauce is finished, we're going to take our pork and we're going to gently, with the back of the knife, pound on the meat a little bit to soften it up, and then we're gonna cut small cuts around the edge on the front and back of the meat. Then we will season both sides with salt and pepper. After we finish seasoning it, we'll take both our eggs, beat them until they're mixed very good, and then we'll add our pork into the egg mix and coat them on both sides. After they're coated, we're going to put them in the breadcrumbs, and you want to really push down on the meat in the breadcrumbs to get as much stuck to the pork as you can. After they're coated with breadcrumbs, we'll set them aside, and then it's time to cook them. After that, we're going to fry them in olive oil. You want to heat the olive oil to 180 degrees Celsius, and we will cook them for about 2 minutes on each side. Now that it's all cooked, we will take our tonkatsu, slice it lengthwise, and then we will put it on a plate with our cabbage and top it with our tonkatsu sauce. That is how you make Japanese tonkatsu. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.